This is a paragraph out of the book Becoming Animal by David Abram, from the chapter Mind. For once we acknowledge that our awareness is inseparable, even in some sense indistinguishable, from our material physiology, can we really continue to maintain that mind remains alien to the rest of material nature? Consider how completely your sentient body is entangled in the crowd of creatures and elemental forces that enfolds you. Consider how thoroughly your organism is dependent upon these other lives, how your flesh is nourished and sustained by the plants whose leaves and fruits you ingest, by the other animals whose muscles you may eat, or whose milk you may drink, or whose carefully laid eggs firm the chocolate cake you nibbled on last night. And ponder, too, how your life sustains others in turn. Consider how your breath is taken up within the green chemistry of these grasses and whispering conifers, and how their exhalations add themselves to the swirling winds that embrace you, from which your lungs must drink again and again, to fire your gestures and your streaming thoughts. Notice the pleasure that your fingertips find in certain wave-polished stones, the giddy thrill that your open palm, held out the window of a car, draws from the rush of the wind that blasts against it. Notice the way your ears empty themselves toward the song of a wood thrush, to the manner in which your eyes are lured like bees by the interior azure of certain blossoms. The human body is not a closed or static object, but an open, unfinished entity, utterly entwined with the soils, waters, and winds that move through it. A wild creature whose life is contingent upon multiple other lives that surround it, and the shifting flows that surge through it.